Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this POCO. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue, click on Allow, and tap on this gray sweater next to Allow access to manage all files. Then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle and select Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!